Maha Cartoon TV. Confectioner on social media. Once upon a time, in a village named Rampur, lived an old confectioner, Mohan, who had established himself with sweets store.
Oh God, now it seems impossible to handle all this work by myself. Why not I should call Sohan to lend me some helping hand?
Sir, I have cleaned everything. Can I go back home now? Huh?
Okay, fine, you can go. Okay, now let me also head to home now. Sujata, where are you? Give me a glass of water. Sujata?
Here, take. What's wrong with you? Are you alright?
Yes, I am, but I'm just exhausted.
Alright, you please go and freshen up. I'll serve the food.
Okay.
Everything's good, right? You look bit tensed.
Yes, but I just feel now I'm gotten old, and that's why now I am unable to handle all my work by myself. What to do?
You first eat your food and then talk to Sohan.
Yes, you also eat the food. Okay, now let me call Sohan. Hello, Sohan?
Greetings, Dad. How are you?
I am good. You tell me, how are you? All good?
Yes, Dad. I'm also good. How is everyone back at home?
Everything is absolutely fine. How are your studies going?
That's also going good, Dad. The exams are approaching, so I was just preparing for that.
You concentrate on your studies. I will talk to you later.
What happened? Why didn't you ask him to come back to Rampur?
He sounded content there, and so I couldn't gather the courage to call him back.
But till when he will stay there? He will have to return to home someday, right? So why don't you call him right now?
But first, let him focus on his exams, and after the exams, I will talk to him to come here.
Whatever you feel is right.
Now, let's go to sleep. I have to send the sweets to the chief's house. Wake me up early, in the morning, okay?
Listen, wake up. It's morning already.
Oh God, I have gotten very late. I had so much work today.
Mohan got ready, had his breakfast, and then reached the shop. But his health wasn't cooperating, which was why he was feeling weak. And on seeing his weak health, Chotu said,
Sir, your health doesn't seem fine. It would be better that you stayed home today. I will take care of everything here.
It's okay, I am fine. Anyway, today we have to prepare for chief's order, and you have to deliver it on time.
Okay, sir. You guide me and I'll follow your order and try to make it the way you do.
With help of Chotu, Mohan did all the work without any problem and got the order delivered to Chief's house in time. But till evening, Mohan's condition got even worse, and so he fainted. And because of this, Chotu got really scared.
Sir, what happened to you? Someone help! Help me, someone! Sir!
What happened? What's wrong?
Is everything all right?
Somebody please help me and take him to the hospital. Please, someone.
Chotu, along with villagers, got Mohan admitted into a hospital. And as soon as Sujata got the news, even she came there. And Chotu immediately connected to Sohan and told him about his father's health condition getting bad. And so he immediately came back from the city to Rampur.
Listen, don't you worry anymore. Sohan is back from the city.
Yes, Dad. I take care of everything. You don't need to worry about anything. Please take rest.
Neither of you have to worry so much. I am fine.
Dad, you please concentrate on taking complete care and rest. We will talk later.
Yes, Sohan is absolutely right.
Okay, fine.
In some time, Mohan got discharged and took rest at his home. And now Sohan had taken all the responsibility of the sweet store. And during that, Sohan's few friend came over to meet Sohan.
Hey, what a pleasant surprise! Please come in, come. Mom, see, my friends are from this city.
Greetings, Auntie.
Greetings, kids. You please sit down. I'll go get something for you to eat.
Sohan, why did you not come back, brother? The exams are also going to start. My father's health got really bad. The doctors have asked him not to do any sort of work. So I stayed back to help him in the work and to look after his health and house.
So are you gonna stay here only and look after this small sweet store? Then what's the point in studying so much, huh?
Ramesh and Mahesh went to their homes after eating the food, but their opinions had stuck in Sohan's mind. And so he talked to Mohan as soon as he got the chance.
Dad, I have to go to the city for the exams. So I was thinking that I would rather look for a job there only. And then in some time, I would call you there to live with me.
Son, if we start living there, then who will look after our sweet store?
Dad, if I'll get the good package in the city, then why would we need this store?
What do you mean? I have given my blood and sweat to this store. I would never shut it down.
But Dad, what we get from this store? Neither money nor respect.
Alright, son. But first, you get a good job. Then we will talk about it, okay?
Sohan went back to the city and started to search for a good and satisfying job. And like this, few months went by. And because he couldn't find a job, he eventually returned to Rampur.
Dad, please forgive me. I thought finding a good job with a great package would be easy.
Not an issue, son. But always remember one thing. No work is small or big. If you do your work with complete dedication, you will definitely get success in all your work. Do you get it?
Sure, Dad. And from now on, I will give my 100% to the store and I will try to make it bigger and better.
Do whatever you want to do, son. Your dad is standing by your side.
Yes,
now let's go and eat something.
Sohan started to look after the store with all his heart. And with time, the customers of the sweet store gradually kept increasing. And then, one day, while they were eating food,
Dad, I want to take our little store on new heights, and for that, I would need some money for investment.
How much money do you need?
For now, I would need 2 lakhs, but I need more after as well.
Don't you worry, my child. This business has grown better. So this time, even the savings are better than usual. I will give you money by tomorrow.
Okay, Dad, thanks.
Sohan, take the money you asked for and let me know if you need more, okay?
Thank you, Dad.
with that money, Sohan got the store reconstructed into a restaurant and promoted his newly built restaurant on social media. And with that, he started to get orders from various places. And in a few years, he opened branches of his restaurant.
I am really thrilled, Sohan. And because of you, I could see my little store transforming into such a massive and eminent chain.
Dad, it all got possible because of your faith in me and your support and guidance.
Sohan, it's only because of you that we have got so much respect and wealth.
And with the help of social media, Sohan was able to fulfill everything that his parents desired for.
Hello, friends.
Tell us in the comment section that how did you like the story?
Do you like this story? And do not forget to share it with your friends too.
Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.